Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, we will be discussing about bodies of water by social scholar. Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the pupils are expected to identify different water forms of the earth. Let us travel the earth and learn about these various water bodies found only on our beautiful planet.